A lot of people have been using this same particular strategy to make money for themselves on Facebook. It's the same thing I'm going to be sharing with you inside of this video, how you can make money with Facebook videos and you can make at least $20 for yourself every single day with this same particular strategy, right? And this thing is available everywhere around the whole world, right? It is available in over 150 countries. It's available in Ghana, in the USA, United Kingdom, India, Nigeria, South Africa, Kenya, anywhere at all. So if you're watching this video from anywhere, that means you can actually use this in particular platform to make money just by watching Facebook videos. Okay, so by watching Facebook videos, you are earning at least $20 for yourself every single day if you follow everything that I'm going to be sharing with you inside of this video. Make sure you do give this video a thumbs up first if you enjoy anything inside of this video, and if it's first time coming across this channel, make sure you hit on that subscribe button and turn notification bell icon so whenever I create a video like this, you get notified instantly. So back to the video, guys. First and foremost, you need to come to your Facebook. Once you come to your Facebook, search for finance right here, finance videos. And once you search for finance video, you're going to see the videos that will pop up right here. So you need to check the one that is most likely educational video right here, and once you click, all you just need to do is to scroll down right here. You find those educational video. This man is actually talking about something, Babu app and everything, so you can just scroll first. We are not using this video, right? But you can still decide to use this video because it can still work, right? But we're looking for something actually different. I mean, something totally different right here. So what we are doing is something simple. We need to go find another video. So I think I can see another video right here. Okay, you can see there are a lot of videos right here that you can actually use to do this thing for yourself, right? So what we're doing is absolutely easy. So this man is talking about 6 assets that can make you rich. So I think you can use this video. So click on it and then copy the link. You can see the video link right here, so you can copy the video link. Once you copy the video link, we are still using everything right here on Facebook, right? So we can see copy link right here. So this copy link is just like you want to share the link to someone to watch the video, but we are not doing that, right? So Facebook is telling me easier way to share video, but we are not doing all of those things, right? So this is what we are going to be doing in order for us to make money, by actually watching this video, right? Okay, so what we are doing right now is you need to head on back straight to your Chrome, right? Go straight to your Chrome browser. So once you get to your Chrome browser, you search for this website called FCLC, right? FCLC. So once you search for this website called FCLC, you can see URL shortener, free link shortener. You can see all of those things. This is the first website that appear right here. Immediately this actually appear right here, the next thing we're doing is to come on right here. You come back right here and you click on this website. You need to sign up first if you don't have an account, and that's actually one of the most easiest thing you can actually do right here, which I'm going to be sharing with you how I can also sign up on this website, right? So you can check everything right here. They have over 130,000 users that already sign up on this website and they are making money right from this website, right? So the next thing you're doing is to come back right here, click on this 3 dotted line up here. This is where you are going to find ways to sign up right on this website. Once you click on it, you can see payout rate, login and sign up, right? So once you click on this login and sign up, it's as easy as ABCD. Click on this username right here. Once you click on username, click on email and password, but we're not using all of those things, right? We are using our Google to sign up on this account. So you have your Google account already, just click on Google. It is very easy to sign up. Once you click on Google, you can be able to confirm and sign up. So after clicking on my Google and then sign up, this actually brings me straight to the interface, and here is how the interface look like. So you can just, once all of these things right here just start appearing, just cancel it. So they're trying to show me how I can use the website, create a new shortening link and everything. I can just click on enter. So if I click on enter right here, I'll be able to start everything straight. But before I start everything straight, let me quickly show you some of the things you need to know right here. You can manage your link right here. Here's your statistic inside of your dashboard, right? So here's your dashboard, and inside your dashboard you see your monthly earning, your monthly views, your referrals, and then your average CPM, right? So this is my total views is 0, my total earning is 0, my referral earning is 0, my average CPM is 0, because this is actually a new account. So what we are doing right here is we are using this new account to make money for ourselves right here. So you can see good news, the recent payer payer processing issue has been solved and all of those things, guys. So the next thing we are doing is absolutely very simple, right? So what you need to do right now is to come back, go to that same up page where we actually check right now. So you can, let me just show you some things there, but you need to know about your statistics first, how many people are coming. So our goals right here is to come back to this website and use that same Facebook link right here. So the same Facebook link is what we are using to make money for ourselves right on this website, right inside of this website. So you can see that is my statistics of how I'm making money, because this account is actually new account. Everything is on $0, right? So the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this 3-dotted line. If you click on this 3-dotted line, you can see manage link, add setting, direct link, withdrawal, tools, referrals, account settings and support, right? But we're not doing all of those things. If you need all of those things, maybe you have issue with your account, you can set your account, you can change your email, change your password, or any problem you have with your account, right? So come back up here, you can see this link or this your URL here. Click on, you remember that link we just copied on Facebook, paste it right here. So once you paste that link right here, click on shorten. Now once you click on this shorten right here, this will easily shorten your link, right? So once this shorten your link, you can see right here, this is the shorten link. This is shorten link for Facebook, right? So you can see this second link here is what we are using to actually make money for ourselves, right? So what happened right here is we are driving traffic to this same particular second link right here, and from that traffic we're actually making money for ourselves, right? It is absolutely easy and simple, right? So we are driving traffic straight to this same particular website, and from that traffic we are making money for ourselves, right? So it's something very easy and simple to do, right? So the next thing I'm going to be doing right here is something simple. So just copy the link. Once I copy the link, I need to go back to Facebook. We are using Facebook to do all of these things. We are using Facebook to process all of these things. That means you don't have problem with that, right? So here's the man video, right? The man is talking about 6 assets that can actually make you rich, right? But we are not actually talking about that again. We are going back right now. On this search, you're searching for how to make money online group, right? So what are you doing right here is that you are using those group that you just search, right? Okay, so let me just search for how to make money online. Okay, online, right? Okay, group. So I will just click on search right here. So they will suggest a lot of group for me that I can join. So you can join as many group as you want right now, just for you to get to the main thing that you want right here. Okay, that makes it absolutely very easy for you, right? So what next that you need to do right here is for you to actually click on this one that says make money, join those groups. So once you join those group, it will be easy for you to actually post on this group and also comment on their post, right? Now click on join group. Once you click on join group right now, you'll be able to post but under their post also you can also comment. This post right here actually get 514 comment, right? Which means people are engaging right here very well. So what you need to do right now, just come right here, tell them about that video, say here are 6 assets, that can make you rich, and then you paste that link. Okay, so if you know that you cannot actually do something like this, you can go to ChatGPT to actually get something that will make them click on that link, right? So the next thing you're doing right here is you are going to send this comment to people that actually watch this, that they are engaging with this in particular post. We see that. So immediately you post it right here, once they click on it, you are able to make money for yourself. So the main focus is driving traffic to the link, right? So you can also create your post on this in particular group right here. Create your post talking about that video. Now once they click on it to watch that video, now what you need to do is find something captivating, like maybe a pictures to put there, right? So people will be, so this will actually trigger them to click on it and watch the video. So if you find this video very helpful at any moment, make sure you give this a thumbs up. Like I say, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, make sure you hit on the subscribe button also and turn the notification bell icon, so whenever I create video like this, you get notified instantly. And don't also forget to leave a comment down there. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the very next video. Peace.